Tired of drowning in a sea of tabs and losing track of your favorite websites? Let's unlock the power of Arc Browser's Favorites feature and transform your browsing into a streamlined, efficient experience. First, make sure Arc Browser is open. Now, navigate to the website you want to save as a favorite. Once the page is loaded, look at the right side of the address bar. You'll see a star icon. Click on that star icon. This will open a small window allowing you to customize your favorite. Here, you can rename the favorite to something memorable and choose where to save it. By default, it'll go into your favorites bar at the top. The favorites bar provides instant access to your go-to sites. You can also save favorites into specific folders for better organization. To do this, click the drop-down menu in the window where it shows where to save the favorite. You can select an existing folder or create a new one. Select New Folder to create a new folder. A prompt will come up. Type the name of your folder and hit enter. Now that you have created your folder, you can save the website in this location. Now you have easy access to your favorite websites in your new folder. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily manage your favorite websites in Arc Browser. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and hello to a more organized and efficient browsing experience. Happy surfing!